This is the Plank Road grade crossing located on the Illinois Railnet's Salle branch in Peru, Illinois. Here we have two newer gated signals. These were installed in the early 2020s and replaced a pair of crossbucks. This is an overview looking south. You can look here at the northern signal. Starting at the bottom, we got a progress rail base, 5-inch. There's the dot tag. Dot number is 852706A. Lights, we got 12 by 24 inch WCH frames, flatback frames with GE uniform look LEDs. Got 8 total lights. Look at the side, we got WCH junction boxes on both sets. Gate mechanism, we got a Siemens imprinted mechanism with an NEG one-way gate saver. Back view of the lights. The gate has the newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. And up top we got a GS Type 3 bell. Lots of trucks go up and down this road. Back view of the northern signal. Alright, here's another view now looking north. We get a look here at the southern signal. This signal is basically the same thing. We got a 5-inch progress rail base. Dot tag again. This also has 12 by 24 inch flatback WCH frames with GE uniform look LEDs. WCH junction boxes on both sets of lights. This one has 6 instead of 8. Got another Siemens imprinted gate mechanism with an NEG one-way gate saver. Back view of the lights. This also has the newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. Back view of the southern signal. There's a relay bungalow in the northwest quadrant made by PTMW. Grade is rubber and asphalt. Track view facing west towards the main part of the branch and towards Ladd and Ziering. And track view facing east towards the end of the line down there. It ends about a couple miles down that way and serves a few industries. Grain elevator here is not served by rail. And in fact, if you look down there, you got a little bit of a yard. Usually Railnet keeps a bunch of cars there. This is pretty much where they keep the engine at for the most part. Depending on what they need to do, they'll make it run east down that way to serve those industries, or they'll make it run into LaSalle and serve the industries along the river there. Then out there they got a sand thing. I'm not sure what that is exactly. They load sand cars there. That was built about 5-10 years ago and serves BNSF unit trains pretty regularly. So yeah, that has been the Plank Road grade crossing.